If you want to share a workspace in the Smartsheet app using your iPhone, this guide will walk you through each step in a simple and easy way. So, first, unlock your iPhone and open the Smartsheet app. So, wait for it to fully load and make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your workspaces, sheets, or home dashboard. Next, locate the workspace that you want to share. So you can usually find this under the Browse or Home section depending on your layout. So click on Browse at the bottom, right here. Once you find the correct workspace, tap on it to open. Now, after opening the workspace, look for the menu icon. So this typically represented by three dots, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. So tap on that icon to open more options. From that menu that appears, so look for the option labeled Share or Share Workspace. So click on it, tap on it to proceed. Now you'll be taken to the sharing settings screen. So here, click on the plus icon at the top right. So here you can add people by entering their email addresses. So tap it in here. So Smartsheet would like to access your contacts, just click on continue. So you can select contacts or share all contacts. So tap on the field provided, then tap in the email address of the person you want to share the workspace with. So two is the email and subject. Tap in your message. Now down here, after entering the email, you'll need to choose their permission level. So you can select whether they can view, edit, or have admin access to the workspace. So make sure to choose the appropriate permission depending on what level of access you want to give. So usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Now after tapping share, the person will receive an invitation to access the workspace. And once they accept it, they'll be able to view or work on the workspace based on the permission you selected. Now, if needed, you can always go back to the sharing settings to update permissions or remove access for someone. And that's it. That's how you can share a workspace on Smartsheet using your iPhone. Thanks for watching.